Hello there guys and welcome back to UGOSFX. This is another new trading week, another new episode and another new challenge. See trading the 15k funded account that I purchased on a good funded trader. We are trying to see if we can get funded on this account and make live withdrawal. So all this week trade that I took was recorded on my M15 platform because my laptop has an issue. So hopefully by next week my laptop will be on duty. I've ordered for another laptop. So hopefully next week we'll start recording on our laptop. But currently, we are taking some trade this week and have done the recording on our MT5 platform. So let's go to the trade I have taken this week to see the progress we have made so far. Let's go. Alright guys, you can see currently we are in this trade currently, and we have two orders that have been activated. Currently one is in profit and the other one is also in profit. Currently we are in drawdown in one of them, and let's see what price will do. One is running loss and one is currently at profit of $69. Let's see, it's moving now. $80, $90, $95, $100. We are done again, and two of them is in profit currently now. You can see one is at $157, the other one is at $25. Let us see what will happen in this trade. As trade is moving up, okay, one is giving us 80 pips, the other one is giving us 190 pips, and the price is moving in our direction currently. One is giving us 240 pips, the other one is giving us 130 pips, and we are moving up. Okay, we are getting to a head and shoulder. Let's see, you can take one of the profit. We have taken one profit and leave other one. Currently, we have broken even and see what price will go. But currently, the price is currently hesitating at this zone. Let us see whether we can close this trade or not. Let's monitor it. If price didn't give us what we want, we'll close it at this zone. Let us see what will happen. We keep monitoring, we keep watching it. 192 pips, 200 pips. Okay, price is still fluctuating at this zone. Let's see what will happen as price keep fluctuating. We are still running 200 pips in profit. It has dropped to 190 pips, and currently price doesn't seem not to go up. We might likely close this trade at this zone. Let us give it a chance and see what will happen. But now, finally, we have closed this trade at a profit of $300. Okay. All right. Currently, we are in this trade. This is a sell. We have entered a sell, and currently we are moving nicely. You can see that we are moving nicely. We have broken even currently. Now we have set our take profit and we have put our stop loss to break even. So at this junction, if anything happens, we will not make any loss on this trade. So let's see what price will give us. Let's see. You can see the zone will mark our take profit is a sell, and you can see the zone will mark our break even because we are currently in this sell now. Let us see what price give us. You can see where I mark this arrow where we are targeting for take profit, and you see where I mark the arrow where we have put our break even. And currently price is going back to our entry to our break even. What is going on? Price has taken us out, and after taking us out, we make a break even of $8. All right, guys, I have a pending order here, and price is about to trigger it. Currently, we are in. Okay, and price is moving in our direction. Is there a buy? So we are currently running 20 pips, 30 pips. Let us see what will happen as we keep monitoring this price. Is there a price action? Currently 40 pips, 50 pips. We are still moving gradually. We are moving up and down gradually. We are running 60 pips. Let us see what price will give us. Currently 60 pips, 70 pips, 75 pips. Let's see what that team will hit our take profit. We are running 90 pips. We are running 100 pips. We are running over 120 pips, 125 pips, and price back again. Let us see again. We are currently running 80 pips. Price going forth and back, running 90 pips. Let's see what will happen. Running 100 pips. Currently, we are still watching this price action to see if we hit our take profit or whether it will hit our stop loss. Running 125 pips. Let us see what will happen. Seeing that price is moving to our direction as predicted, but who knows? Let's see what will happen. Keep monitoring. We have seen a bullish engulf candle. Let us see if price will continue moving up. But you see that price want to drop again, and price dropping back to our entry point. Currently running 50 pips. Currently running 40 pips. Let us see. And currently we are in down 40 pips, minus 40 pips. Currently minus 40 pips. Is it going to hit our stop loss? Price coming to our stop loss. Let us see what will happen. Let us see. And price has taken us out, and we made a loss of $79 in this trade. All right, guys. So this is the last trading day of the week. As I promised you guys that I'm keeping you guys updated on this account. So how you guys have seen the number of trades I have taken this week. But the last trade I took, I was unable to record it because that trade was very fast. Before I could even put on my recording, the trade has activated and hit our SL. So we lost about 1% on that trade, which put us back again to break even. So currently, we are at break even on our account. So our account is at $15,050 currently. Okay. So this week we took a total number of 4 trades, of which we won one break even and 2 losses. So hopefully this coming week, this account will put us in a better position because we want to withdraw from this account. Remember, this is a series from 5K to 15K. Once we make withdrawal from the 15K now, we'll purchase a higher account bigger than 15K. From there, is a journey to $1 million in funding. If you have watched up to this moment, kindly hit that subscription button so that you know whenever I drop a new content. Make also sure that you put on your notification bell. Very, very important. So see you guys in my next episode.